Solve a rate problem using proportional reasoning. Nitya sews neck warmers for winter to sell at the local market on weekends. She is able to sew 6 warmers in 1 hour. How long will it take for her to sew 14 warmers? There are 4 different methods you can use to solve this problem. Method 1. Use models or manipulatives. Use counters to show what Nitya can sew. Each counter represents 1 neck warmer. 1 hour can also be expressed as 60 minutes. Since Nitya can sew 6 warmers in 60 minutes, separate the 60 minutes into 6 equal portions. Therefore, each warmer takes approximately 10 minutes to make. To calculate how long it will take to sew 14 warmers, multiply 14 by 10 minutes. Therefore, it will take 140 minutes, or 2 hours and 20 minutes, to sew 14 warmers. Method 2. Use a table. You can use a table to help determine how long it takes to sew 1 neck warmer. First, change 1 hour to 60 minutes. The number of neck warmers Nitya can sew in 60 minutes is 6. Using the numbers from the table, you can calculate how many minutes it takes to make 1 neck warmer. 60 divided by 6 equals 10. Therefore, 1 neck warmer takes 10 minutes. Complete the table to see how long it takes to make 14 neck warmers. To make 14 neck warmers, it takes 140 minutes. You can also use the following calculation. 60 plus 60 plus 20 equals 140 minutes, or 1 hour plus 1 hour plus 20 minutes equals 2 hours and 20 minutes. Method 3. Use a unit rate. 1 hour or 60 minutes to sew 6 neck warmers can be expressed as a rate, 60 minutes over 6 warmers. To determine the unit rate, divide by 6 to get 1 warmer in the denominator of the second rate. It takes Nitya 10 minutes to sew 1 warmer, or 10 minutes over 1 warmer. Therefore, it will take 14 multiplied by 10 minutes, or 140 minutes, to sew 14 warmers. Method 4. Use equivalent ratios. Sometimes, the ratios you write make solving for the missing number obvious. Other times, you may have to see if the initial ratio can be expressed as an equivalent ratio. Set up equivalent ratios to solve this problem. It is not obvious from this ratio to see what to multiply 6 by to get 14. However, you could reduce the ratio 60 over 6 so that the denominator is a factor of 14. If you divide the numerator and denominator by 3, you get 20 over 2. Now you can set up equivalent ratios and solve. To solve, multiply the numerator and denominator by 7. Therefore, it will take 140 minutes to sew 14 warmers.